sama.
Oh, also this one. This one. This one's good.
Eh, anak pa dyan yung ano niya. Hanggang May lang. Hanggang May.
What are you looking for, Mom?
This one.
Canada thing.
Ah.
So this one is a Canada souvenir for Canada Day since we're not here in Canada during Canada Day because we're in the Philippines. So I was thinking to buy pasalubong Canada Day keychain. I'm sorry, Canada keychain for them.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, right.
How much is
it's a good souvenir for them. Yeah. And then this one is like a magnet. Okay to, magnet. 150.
Oh.
This is a magnet. Diba? It's nice. Bili natin yan. So, what else? Pero okay na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anim. I have 6. Okay yan. Oh, ano pang souvenir na pwede natin ibigay? How about this one, Daddy? Okay, so yan. Pwede na siguro to. Oh, kapag, ito maganda to sa spring. Pag summer, o tapos mag-blow yung wind, ganyan. Wala akong power. Okay. And then, siguro kaibigan pa natin ng isa. Kasi nga, marami sila ng konti dun sa Philippines. So, tsaka sa Indonesia, we're going to visit 2 countries. So, we love them both. So, let's be fair to get them. Okay, let's go. Wala na ba, guys? Let's go. Let's go na.
Surprisingly, it has fruit. Surprisingly, that chocolate has protein.
It has no?
A little bit of protein.
Protein. Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
So, we're now going to check out our stuff here.
Yeah, to the cashier. I think there's no self-checkout, eh?
And we just wait.
Yung ibang Dalarama na store, meron silang new machine na ikaw na lang self-checkout. Kasi nga bago lang to, so hindi pa sila updated. So, kailangan pa talaga ng staff. Sayang nga, magbabayad ka na.
Kalimutan ko yung wallet ko.
Here you go.
No plus. You can place it how now, anak. Dami kaming binili. Sabi namin na bibili lang namin, ano. We only buy few, but marami na. Thank you, MasterCard, please.
Sure, whenever you're ready. Did you want your receipt today?
Yes, please. Inside the bag. Jenny, did you get this one? Oh, no, that's not for us. I get to choose. Thank you. You too.
Sorry. You want me to bring another bag?
It's alright.
You guys have a good one? Yeah, you too.
Okay, so we're leaving now Dalarama. We're gonna see you to another place. Actually, dito rin siya sa Brighton. So, pupunta kami sa Shoppers, maybe? Kasi si Subhan, puti na ang hair. So, try namin makabili ng hair color. So, walking around over there. Do we need to ride a car? So, sakay na tayo ng car kasi medyo malayo din yung lalakarin. Siguro mga 1 minute away.
We can walk. Just put that first in the car.
Ah, okay.
Like, how should I put this? Just put it like this?
Yeah. Let's go.
Where are we
Dito
going?
tayo lalakad. Ito sunod. Ito naman, Sastel. Ito kung masakit yung katawan nyo, you can go to Thrive. It's a family chiropractic. Cairo. You know Cairo? Kung ano yung Cairo? Basta Google nyo na lang kung ano yung Cairo.
This one is nice.
This is our dental. This is where we get our teeth cleaning and pulling. Yan. So, nakikita yung paligid. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito talaga sa Brighton. Wala masyadong tao, kaya nice to walk.
We're getting to Starbucks, right?
Meron din silang tinatawag na Brighton Eye Care. At syempre, ang favorite ni Jana, Pet Value. Hindi lang kami pumapasok kasi ayaw namin wala pa kaming pet. Ulit. Ito na tayo sa Shoppers. Meron silang sanitizer dito actually. Pero since okay na, pwede ka rin naman gumamit. Pwede rin naman hindi.
You got what you need?
Sino mo ba ito? What else do you need? Toothpaste. What you can get for toothpaste?
You need toothpaste too?
Ano lang yung ano. So, meron sila. Check out.
Welcome to our self-checkout. Don't forget to scan your PC Optional card.
Do you want to scan yung wallet? Yung ano ko pala, wala. Ay, ito pala. Pinsal, do you wanna scan this for me?
Alright.
Pwede kukunin ko lang yung ano ko. So, kapag meron kang card, member, may discount. So, scan lang natin, ganyan. And then, yan, mag-a-add mo yung bonus. Okay, go ahead. Anong ginagawa mo
Oh,
dito?
Okay.
Sorry po.
Yeah, okay.
Ayan. So, that's it. Kung mo ano yung magbabayad na tayo. Okay now. 0. We don't have any funds. So, gusto ko ng print ng receipt. Okay. Okay, and then massive.
Please use PinPad to complete payment.
PinPad.
So, yung card ko pwedeng i-tap. So, I do the tapping.
Thank you for using our self-checkout today. Please take your bags and your receipt.
Maybe I'll just leave this one. Wait. Oh, in here?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Now we can get our stuff now. Jana,
No, let's go.
you should go
Hi.
out.
Really?
Okay, let's go. Oh no.
This everything?
Yan. So, nakabili kami ng color para kay Suban. Tapos, meron kaming toothpaste and some facial, mainit nga. So, bumili kami ng something for the face to protect.
Look at the dog.
Oh, yan. Pati dogs, di ba nag-enjoy sa weather? Yan. So, lakad-lakad ulit. Pwede din kayo mag-picture-picture dito kasi nga maganda yun, no? Kita nyo yung bear.
Oh, sige.
Yeah. In this area, meron din silang cinema. So, in Saskatoon, there's a new cinema located here in Brighton. It's just way over there.
Saan? Oh, yeah.
Andun. It's called Landmark Cinema. Gandang manood doon. It's really nice kasi meron silang category ng watching. Merong 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. De, joke lang. Wala nang 4D, tsaka 6D wala na yung... Meron din sila yung parang nanonood nila sa recliner siya, ganyan. Eh, malamig pa din. Maghangin.
Yeah, we'll go back to the car now. Then we'll go to we'll go
sparkling. Yeah.
we'll go to Starbucks after this
Yeah, after this, Starbucks kami.
to give the resume.
Kasi mag-a-apply kami ng job. Job hunting naman. Tapos na ang egg hunting, job hunting naman. So, we're gonna put it first at the back of the car. Okay, car is there. Stop is there. Shut down there. Okay. What else we need to get? The razor?
Oh, kalimutan yung razor. Bumili ka na sa Dollarama.
Oh. So, yan na nga. So, tapos na yung aming paggala dito sa Brighton. So, eto na. Nakos ako.
There's the Midtown. Common.
Meron naman tayong dashcam. Hindi naman kailangan mag-record ng mahal.
Yeah, I can take from that.
Eh, pwede na. Yan ang Bessborough Hotel. I think Bessborough Hotel was built like 1892.
You just made it up.
No, totoo yun. Pero i-research ko pa. Hindi ko sure.
You can search the Google.
It's probably like 1940
Oo.
or something.
Oo, ganyan. Isa yan sa ano ba tawag doon? Prestigious hotel here in Canada. Ayan. So, andito tayo sa heart of Midtown. Downtown. Sa Saskatoon Club. Yan. Talagang ang mga building dito is makikita mo talagang matagal na siyang na-build dito. So, heritage na siya ng Saskatoon. Yan.
Guys, 1 more hour.
Meron sila ditong Sheraton. Yan, Sheraton.
Are there people still ice skating? Yeah, this is the place that you do ice skating here. The Sheraton Cavalier Hotel on the left side. And here for ice skating ring on the right here.
I think wala na nag-ice skate kasi wet na siya.
Oh, it's melting. Melting.
Melting na.
The building is so nice. This
Churches yan. Ayun yung lake.
river.
Ay, sorry.
Is it lake or river?
It's a river pala. Mas malaki pala siya kaysa sa lake. So, it's called the river.
Mas malaki sa lake.
River. River. And, as you see, meron pa rin siyang ice. Pero, it's melting now. Kasi nga, the
Are
weather
those
is
houses on the
positive
other end?
already. Ayan yung mga puno namin. Talagang parang pang Halloween pa, di ba? Kasi hindi pa sila tumutubo. Pero soon, you're gonna see spring. Like, the sprout is coming out from the branches of the trees. Oh, ganda din naman talaga. Parang ganitong panahon. So, we're leaving now sa downtown. Pabalik na tayo. Thank you for joining us. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung maliit naming tour with you. And kung bago ka lang sa channel namin, again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification para updated ka naman sa mga bagong videos namin. Thank you so much! See you again! Bye-bye!
Last number 7. No. 3, 2, 7, 4, 9, 5.
We have to go this way.
Smile nice.
Cut this.
Oh, yung una kaganyan ka naman. Yeah.
Cut this. You pass? You pass? Congratulations.
100.
All 100%.
Congratulations.
And then 30.
Pass? All 100? Congratulations.
Wow. Ako in the ceiling.
20 out of 20, 20 out of 30.
What?
Oh my god. That was...
Intense.
It was quite easy actually. Okay, I had to guess on 2 questions, but I got them right.
That's good.
So,
What are the questions then?
it was the making a, what do you do when you stop at an intersection?
In the where? Intersection?
Yeah, you're the second car in line, and the car in front goes forward. And I said you stop first, and then you wait your turn.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah, 20 out of 20, 30 out of 30, both 100%.
Ako na yung ceiling lang.
16 and 20.
Good job.
Not too short. Okay.
Make him handsome.
Getting haircut.
And then you want to leave the top a little bit longer than the sides.
For the top, I'd like it to be like to this side,
Okay.
and for the sides, cut it, but not too short to the point where you can see skin.
Okay. Sounds good.
Smile. Thumbs up, Mitchell.
Ako na naman niya.
Where we are, ma'am? Saan tayo?
In the mall.
After passing drive from test exam, straight to the hair cutting.
Diba? Saan ba tayo nag-vlog last time? Sa mall, Midtown? Ito naman, dito ka naman mag-vlog.
Okay. I was just double checking. Okay.
Magic Cut shampoo and cuts $25. Shampoo cuts $29. Kids cut $17. Color $57. 84. Falling. No, thank you.
There's so many buttons in it. Which one do you see? Okay.
Tiny eyes? Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a good, eh? Check.
Kami. Okay.
Very nice. Yeah, Mitchell.
Parang ang bago. Sorry kung hindi ako sanay ng mga...
Look at your hair.
No, I like it because what it was. It's not spiky.
Magic.
Yeah. Oh, dito ako lang na maiksi ko. Kasi this one is
Oh, nice.
going down.
Yeah.
Good looking.
Done.
Haircut is done.
Haircut's done.
Oh,
Then-
what's this?
Yeah, we're going to the mosque now. Today is Friday.
Hindi, bibili lang ako ng ano,
Oh, you have to buy something first.
ng ulam for you guys later. Kasi I can cook right now. Wala na akong time.
Okay.
Kasi busy na kayo later.
Yeah. No, I'm taller.
Sayang hindi kami yung video mo, yung ginagawa ng mga tao.
It's like, hey guys, welcome back to the video. Oh my god. What?
Ito yung Cineplex pag gusto mo manood ng
Oh,
movie.
Cineplex right here.
What do
This.
you want to buy anyways?
Ulam lang. Ulam para mamaya.
Let's buy KFC.
Guys, we're right now in Center Mall, Saskatchewan. Saskatoon. Sorry, Saskatoon.
Yan yung map.
Oh yeah.
Kapapahit ba yan?
Yes. What? Can I go take a shower first before we go to the mosque?
Yeah.
Sa Philippines, pag sinabi mo 7,
Greek style. They have it.
Huh?
They have Greek style.
Yeah. What are you gonna buy, ma'am?
vegetable spring roll. Supper nyo to, ha?
What?
No, I want vegetable. Ma'am, no vegetable. Sige, bibili lang muna.
We're fasting today. We're not eating.
I don't want vegetables, man. But I like vegetables, but
But today we are fasting. Only mom. The food court is full. Lunchtime.
yeah, it's lunch. Too bad we don't eat because it's
Ramadan.
It's Ramadan.
Poultry items. Steak or to go? To go.
Choose 3 items, right?
Poultry items. For the first one.
For the first one.
Oh, sige, nag-go. Ikaw
Okay,
na.
for me, rice.
This is for iftar, guys. Not for now. Later. Buat buka. Jadi nggak usah masak. No need to cook later on.
What's this?
Yes, lazy to cook. Just buy. Just buy food.
I'll take sweet and sour chicken also.
Okay, sweet sour chicken?
Sweet and sour chicken. And one more food.
Okay.
What's inside this one? Fish? What's this one? What's this one? Oh, spare ribs. Yes, please.
Together with them. For here? So take out. For take out, all for take out.
This is all for takeout.
We are fasting. This is for iftar later
My
on.
mouth is watering. This is for takeout. Oh, no drink. No
For
drink.
take out all. Plastic.
My dear, can you put in the cake?
Yeah, this is for takeout, yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Wag na ako, okay na ako. Hello everyone!
Hello.
Those are my beautiful children. Primara, syempre mana sa mommy.
Hello.
Where are you guys going? What's the occasion? What's going on?
Olive Garden.
We're going to try the Olive Garden today. We're gonna rate if the restaurant is really 5-star or lagwak. Okay?
Not for that.
No, we're going to enjoy the day today. It's really nice day. It's a Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
And yeah. See, the road is very nice. No traffic. Clear sky. Yahoo! Nice. Yan.
You can pause it if you want. You press the pause button and then you can resume the 2 lines if you want to do that.
We're like 2 minutes away from the restaurant. Sorry, magulo yung camera. So, it's located here in Presun Crossing. Yep, there you go. That is the garden. There's the garden. We're going to the garden. Garden of food.
Like full.
Oh my gosh, it seems like full. Ang linaw ng camera. Stolen.
Happy Mother's Day, ma'am.
Reheated.
If you hated. Thank you for joining us today, and sana i-like and subscribe yun naman kasi syempre para marami pa kayo at update kayo sa mga bago naming videos. Okay, for now, see you and happy Easter! Bye-bye now!